Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today the product I'm going to review is something different. It's a hand sanitizer. So this sanitizer is from the brand Kaya. My first confession about this product is its price. It retails for 65 rupees, but I got it for around 54 rupees from Nykaa. It comes in this small container like this. So again, this is a travel friendly product which I really like it. This has a click type of a cap which is really comfortable to take the liquid out. All the details of the product and the brand name are on the front and everything else is in the back, like the manufacturing and the ingredients. This small bottle has about 50 ml of product. I have been using this from past couple of months now. This gel is a composition of ethyl alcohol and perfume gel base. The net quantity of it is 50 ml. The company claims that it kills around 99.9% germs without water, which is the best part about it. This has glycerin in it which helps in preventing germs. Now I'm going to swatch it on back of my hands like this. They do kind of melt onto your hand which gives a cooling sensation to the hand. This liquid is a thick alcohol based gel and after applying it, it gets dried up really quickly, just like here you can see. And it has an amazing fragrance. So at last, I will definitely recommend you guys to get it and try it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit on the like button down below and also subscribe to my channel.